ส่วนสาธารณะครับเจ้า
You would rent it out for weddings and stuff.
Yeah, that's how for wedding.
No water, no fish. Yeah, it's too dry.
How gonna get water? How gonna get feed? See, the one they leave, the one Lao house.
They rent it out.
Yeah,
Yeah, they rent it out. You want to stay?
they let out there, what?
You just sleep in it.
Oh, we can come sleep here.
Now have plans to do by the week. They are so very good though. ดอกอ้าวคนละดอกอย่างมาใส่
ดอกปลอมเตี้ยนั่นนะ
เขาสบายอยู่
Yeah, see, I want like that.
Yeah, you.
See the house มาตำข้าวไหมนางมี They have ข้าวข้าวทู Oh, this one by the water. They open by the water, not the feet.
Oh, by the water. Yeah.
Yeah, by the water.
Water come in there.
Oh, water from here.
Oh, that's why there's the bamboo.
Yeah. Oh, that one almost not fit. He goes slow too. This is boom.
Oh, yeah. You can Airbnb these where he said come hang out, drink.
Yeah, this. Yeah, you said this one. What?
Yeah, 30 years old.
30 years old.
30 something. And there's two more back there. We plant one for each kid.
Yeah, he planned for his kid.
Yeah.
What the name of the tree?
Oh, willow tree.
Willow tree.
Okay, look, it's sad. Like it's crying. You know, coming down. The leaves go low. You know, like willow.
Oh, willow. Yeah, willow tree. Oh, the same bungalow in Laos.
Yeah, you can rent it. Bring girlfriend.
That's bungalow.
Bring first girlfriend, stay there, second girlfriend. Yeah, take them. Or Hmong people, not lúc này nhau.
Yeah. They have a lot of wife, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What this tree?
I know nothing.
You don't know?
I know nothing. Nice to hang out over here, you know.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Look at that honeymoon suite.
Like honeymoon suite, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Bungalow for the wife. This one for the first wife. Over there first, second wife. Over there's third wife. Oh, that's nice.
Then mother-in-law.
Same thing. Oh, hot.
Yeah,
Not the same Hmong house over there. It's cold.
Because they had no concrete. You like it? Yeah. Yeah.
Like Bloody Mary.
I could build this in my backyard. You guys come stay.
This is nice.
You see, don't have lock inside, just lock outside. You know.
Yeah. Why stay here?
They don't have lock inside. They have lock outside
Yeah.
only.
I told you for the second,
Yeah.
third wife.
See, no inside lock.
You don't want your wife to run away.
They want smart. No, they have lock outside too. Inside too.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. But the step is too hard. Short leg like me, I can hold.
Inside the house. Fireplace.
ไปอยู่ฮะเด็กน้อยลูกหลาน
Cao nó đến sẽ mang ngô là sẽ bỏ.
เขาเฒ่าแล้วอยู่
เมื่อก่อน
Đây đi mấy lúc. Mommy.
I slip under my shoes and the yeah. I help you.
Gì đấy? Cái khăn đầy cái gì đồ vào đây đây.
ต้องมีกันยันด้วยนะ
Cái gì? Không, cái phá cái chắc thủ bay bớt thủ đúng.
Board is hard.
ถ้าถูกเป็น
Push in. That's it.
Yeah, this monk style.
It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah. Cool. They live like that.
Wow, you walk in, you can feel the cool air come out. Oh yeah.
I think it's the concrete.
Yeah, this is house cool.
That's
This
a,
pipe.
there's a wrench.
No,
Oh, wrench?
No, that's
Oh, I thought pipe.
looks like a pipe. Yeah, in our country we use this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, with the woods.
A real stove.
That's stove.
Go get water from the river and make rice.
Yeah, you know this one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
It's
that-
gun.
That's a squirrel hunter, right?
Yeah.
Rabbit hunter.
Could you hang right there?
Yeah.
You hang right there.
พวกเข้า
Bà đi tôi chiều.
Hey, that's too small. The big one over there for you, the blue one.
The backpack. The big one. Oh, this one they cry the อันเมียวแป้งโมแป้ง do like that. Oh, had to push hard or? Oh,
Yeah, for the rice, not corn.
yeah, for the corn, for the
Corn smasher.
yeah. I think this one for the you know
I don't know.
for the fire.
Oh, is it?
They build
Oh, yeah.
they build
Blacksmith
the
for-
knife.
The knife, yeah.
Yes, for a smith.
Yeah.
How they call blacksmith, right? Yeah, like that. The fire come out here.
Out of work. They used to go to the farm and sleep in that little shed.
Huh?
They go sleep there by the farm when they garden. If they don't come home, they sleep underneath it.
Oh, I bring this one. Oh, yeah, they put.
Here's one for you.
Huh?
Here, will you try that one?
It's big. How I gotta try that?
Same thing.
Oh, carry to the back in the back.
We have two styles of the house.
At University of Minnesota? Yeah.
City.
You want to take video of that? I can come back that way.
This Minnesota downtown.
Yeah, that's
Right.
downtown. Yeah, St. Paul downtown, Minneapolis.
Central.
Different.
อันนี้ตลาดสดม่องมีแต่พักมีแต่มีครับนี่$5 $10โอ้ผักสดดีผักสดดี$20
Yeah, Mangosteen, yeah, 15, 30.
15 30โอ้เฮ็ดที่แกงได้เลย คักเนาะมาเที่ยวถ่ายรูปก่อน โอ้อันนี้ how much $10 ปลูกไม้วะนี่บ่หิวมาเห็นอาหารหลายแล้วกินซื่อๆ
หิวจะอัพตลอดเนาะ
Un capo.
ถูกตรงนี้เลยพี่เก้น
อันนี้บ่อนขายพักอันนี้โอ้พักเด่นเราเข้าห่างหนึ่งตัวนี่บางทีคือrambutan $20 ผักสดอันนี้มีมะนาวมะกล้วย
หมดก็ให้เขาเราเนี่ยเอาโน่นเทียนอย่างเงี้ย
Pucho.
โอ้ยังตื่นเช้าแท้มออเมริกาโอ้เลเวล4นะเลเวล4มันรอที่ไฟโอ้มืดแท้ละบุคือมั่วจังเลยเนาะครับ
ยังไม่ได้เข้าไปในเชื่อ
Lego store
Yeah, Lego store. Never seen it before.
Yeah, well, here's better. Keep it. ไปขี่รถซาเด้วยโอ้ที่เรียนแถวบ่ค่อยหลายคนนี้เก่งขนาดนี้ดูนี่โอ้ครับมออเมริกาโอ้โหโอ้ดูวิวบนน้ำอีกแค่นี้เบิ่งหม้ออยู่เบิ่งหม้อเบิ่งอันโรลเลอร์โคสเตอร์โอ้เด้อ
Like the original. Yeah, the original like little car.
No, roller coaster นี่โอเคอยู่สับเนี่ย Not too bad. It's for the kids or for adult too? Rainforest Coffee โอ้คักเว้ยร้านกาแฟนี่ร้านอาหาร
It's still 4 hours technically.
I mean, there's other.
Five animal have tiger too
How we doing over here? Do you mind if I talk to you for a minute? Okay, so we've got.
Rainforest Coffee แถวน้องบุยไปอยู่เนาะ